Okay, some of you may know I'm building a piston height sensor for SU carburetors, and I've decided to go with an arrangement like this where it goes down into the piston here, so I can attach it to any SU carburetor without doing anything but swapping out a modified damper tube cap. So basically, this is a modified Harbor Freight digital caliper that I've put on, and I'm running. You can see the ruler right in there, and it's running on drone bearings underneath to keep to keep it nice and smooth action. But you can see as I lift the piston, it's repeatable. I'm getting 12, 13. If it's within 10, it's going to be close enough for what I need it for. So I'm quite excited about that. It's finally, prototype is done, so I'll go ahead and do it up in a permanent kind of way. I was originally going to put it on a big heavy block of aluminum and go through the front of the carburetor, but I decided against that. So I'm quite happy with that. It'll be interesting to see what happens when we get the vibration of the engine going as well.